Namaste and warm welcome in my YouTube channel MathTech. Today I have brought part 5 video related to GeoGebra. This video is completely related with circle tool. That means with the help of circle tool how to draw semicircle, circular arc, circumcircular arc, circular sector, circumcircular sector, etc. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then you can go to the description box. The links of part 1 to part 4 are given there, and even link of other videos are also given there. You can go and watch my videos. And in this video we draw different types of semicircle, circular arc, circumcircular arc, circular sector, circumcircular sector, and we can even make different types of make them attractive. This is very important video. Now let's move to the video. In this video we discuss about circle tool. In my previous video we discussed about circle passing, how to drawing circles when center and a point given, when center and radius given, and by using compass also how to draw circle in GeoGebra, and how to draw circle passing through 3 points. I am going to select semicircle. And if you click on here, the hint is select 2 endpoints. First we have to select 2 endpoints that works as a diameter. Okay. So I am going to draw semicircle. Let's select this one. Yes, semicircle. Another semicircle. Similarly, another semicircle. Just select 2 points. Another semicircle like this. Yes, these all are semicircles. Now let's draw diameter by using segment tool. Okay. Now again let's select the semicircle tool and draw semicircle in different ways. Let's make some interesting patterns. Okay, now semicircle, just 2 points. Okay, nice. Next one, select 2 endpoints to draw semicircle. Again select 2 endpoints to draw semicircles. Nice. Again select 2 endpoints to draw semicircle. Again select 2 endpoints to draw semicircles like this. Okay, and this end point is not exactly okay. Now it's okay. Now from line tool, select segment tool and let's join the to make diameter. Yes, now we can color it. We can select colors by using here. What type of color do you want? Yes, just do like this. Use different colors. Let's make it red and let's make it green. Okay, like this we can make different colors also. You can change colors colors of the circumference or semicircle. Different colors. You can change different colors like this. One by one, you can make different colors. Green. Let's make it, keep it black as it is. And another one is like this. Yes, like this we can draw semicircles. And we can these two tools help us how to draw semicircles in easy way. Now next tool is drawing circular arc. That means for this let's make a circle. Okay, first of all we need a circle. Let's take a circle whose center is 3 and radius let's write 2. Okay, now this is circle. Click on it and click on show label to hide labels, and now we need arc. Okay, so we select circular arc, and if you put your cursor over there, the hint is select center and 2 points. That means we need 2 points on circumference. And how to select points on circumference? This point tool does not give us exact point which lie on circumference. For that we have to select point on object. Okay, and point on object tool I am going to select here. Just keep click anywhere on the circumference. Yes, these two are point on the circumference. And now I am going to select circular arc, and the hint is once again, see, select center and 2 points. So I am going to select center and points Q and another point R. Yes, this is the circular arc. That means circular arc is QR. This is circular arc. Okay, and the name of this circular arc is given here C1. Yes, and if you just click on C1, and we can change its color. Okay, yeah, like this. Let's make it okay, like this. We can change its color. Now let's select circular sector, and when after drawing circular arc, we can easily draw a circular sector. And if you put cursor over there, the hint is given, select center point, then 2 points. We have select center point also and 2 points on circumference also. So by using this sector tool, we can select center point, then 2 points like this. Yeah, this is circular sector. This one is circular sector. Again, let's select circular sector, center point and 2 points R and S. This is another circular sector. Then again, center point and 2 points on circumference. Anywhere we can click like this. These all are circular sector, and we can change its color also. Yes, suppose this one is name of circular sector are given here. This is F1. Let's change the color of F1. Green. Color of G1. Yellow. Pink. We can increase the shading area. Again, we can change this color also, E1. This is E1. Okay, like this. We can change the color also. This is circular sector. Okay. Now, let's move it. We don't need center axis over here, so let's remove it. Okay, now we are going to draw circumcircular arc. Okay, let's see the hint. Okay, the hint is select 3 points on arc. That means we need 3 points on arc. For that, we have to draw a circle. Let's draw a circle passing through 3 points. Okay, anywhere. Let's click on 3 points. Yeah, now if we want to, let's unhide their labels. Hide their labels. And label of this circle also. We don't need this one. Delete it. Show label. Show object. Okay. This show label. Okay. Now let's draw circumcircular arc. The hint is select 3 points on arc. We have already 3 points on arc. Like this, circumcircular arc. And its name is given there. What is its name? K1. Okay. Then we can change the color of K1 also. Red. Let's make it red. It's not selected. Red. Line thickness, line capacity, like this we can increase. Line style, yeah, like this. Dot. This is circumcircular arc. So this level. The name of this arc is K1. Okay. Like this we can draw circumcircular arc. For that, let's do it again. Once again, we need a circle. So let's keep radius 1, and now its name also given. I am going to hide label. Okay. Now for this, let's select circumcircular arc. We need 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. This is circumcircular arc. We can change its color also. This is let's select it and change the color blue like this. And if we join this in point E1 and G1, it gives a segment. Okay, this one is the segment is the area enclosed by chord and arc. That means E1 G1 is the chord, and here E1 G1 is arc. Okay, so this shaded area in blue represents minor segment, and this shaded area in light red, let's say light red, represents major segment. Like this also. This one is sector. Okay. And next tool is how to draw circumcircular sector. Okay. For this, let's move this circle here. Circumcircular sector. Here we can make this arc small or big also. Now this one in blue represents major segment, which contains the origin. Major segment contains the origin. And here this shaded part in light red represents major segment because it is containing the origin. And this region inside blue does not contain origin, and it is area enclosed by arc and a chord. E1 G1 is a chord, so this represents a segment. Okay, we can make this segment major or minor. Now this represents major segment because it contains the origin, but this now it represents minor segment. Okay, like this we can move this circle. Let's select it and keep it here. Now another tool is drawing circumcircular sector. Let's see the hint. Hint is select 3 points on sector. That means first of all we need a sector. Yes, and we have to select 3 points on sector. So let's draw a circle passing through having center here and passing through a point. Let's keep this point here. Now we need sector, so we are going to select 2 points on object. 2 point on object. Let's take it like this, and we are going to select circumcircular sector. Then we have to select 3 points on sector. Okay, 1 point, 2 point, and this one is 3 point. Like this. Another 1 point, 2 point, and this is 3 point sector. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point sector. 1 point, 2 point, and this one is 3 point sector. Okay, like this we can draw sectors on the circumference of circle. Okay, sectors, very easy. And again, suppose we have no circle. Okay, then also we can draw sector. 1 point, 2 point, and let's say this one is 3 point. Like this also. 1 point, 2 point, and this one is 3 point. This also represents here my major sector, and this one is this here E1 W1. This one is minor sector. Like this also we can draw sector. 1 point, 2 point, and like this. Where to keep? Where? Here, semicircle. Okay, like this. 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point sector. 1 point, 2 point, it looks like semicircle. Yes, 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point sector. 1 point, 2 point, 2 point, and 3 point, like this. We can draw circumsector. Circumsector. 1 point, 2 point, 3 points. Circumsector. These all represents circumsector. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. These all represent circumsector. Like this also we can draw circumsector, and we can in similar way we can draw circumcircular arc. Select 3 points on arc anywhere. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. This is circumcircular arc. Like this also. Circumcircular arc. 1, 2, 3, like this. And we can make these arcs smaller or bigger if you by moving the points. Okay, this is circumcircular arc. We can make it a small or big. We can also make inscribed angle and central angle. That means angle at center and angle at circumference. Based on this circle tool, that means circular sector or circular arc. Okay. Now we have already have arc, so I am going to select segment from line segment to line tool. This one segment. I am going to join it. Yes. Another. Okay. Now this one is simply angle at center and angle at circumference. I am going to select these two hide levels. So I right click on it and click on show level to hide levels. Now I am going to highlight the angles. So for that we select angle tool from angle. Then let's measure this angle. Yes, this is 110.98, and again this one. Select angle tool. This is 55.49. Just inscribed angle is half of central angle. Okay, like this also we can draw angle at center and angle at circumference based on this circular arc, that means part of circumference arc.